Hello, dear. I'm in Tangier seaport now. This is the seaport behind me. Tangier is the last leg of my North African countries, Morocco. Within these 14 days, I did visit around six cities, fascinating cities, I should say. And Tangier is my last leg. I have started my journey from Casablanca and then Rabat, then Marrakesh, and then Chef Unshan, and Chef Unshan, and finally Tangier, and finally in Tangier. Tangier is a very fascinating city, I'm telling you. So you can't imagine that if you roam around the city, you could have a feeling of European countries, European cities. People are wonderful. They are very helpful, and food is absolutely good. Now I will be leaving Africa to European countries, in Spain now. I will be on board in a ferry crossing at the Gibraltar Strait. In Bengali, Gibraltar Strait means Gibraltar Pranali. I have heard about this strait, in my, when I was a very young, not young, even the child. I did know this place, Gibraltar Strait, from my boyhood, because I was very much interested in geography. So definitely it was my interest. And today it will be fulfilled. I will be crossing this Gibraltar Strait, by ferry. It will take around more than 1 hour, and I'll be reaching in another side of the Africa, in European side, uh, the port called Tarifa. The first in Tarifa, then from Tarifa to some other places nearby to Gibraltar, because my intention to visit in Gibraltar. There is a very fascinating legend about this Gibraltar Strait. In a prehistoric period, it was believed that Africa and Europe was connected with a huge mountain, and the Greek hero, you might have heard his name, definitely, Greek hero Hercules, and he divided these two continent, opposite side, with his strength, with his huge strength. And resulting of that one, the Gibraltar Strait was immersed. That's the story. So anyway, so I will be on board by 15 minutes. Yeah, this is the entrance of the ferry. It's easy and very much hassle free. And most probably this one. This one is ours. Now I'm already in the ferry. It's really wonderful. It's very much luxurious. It seems very much luxurious, of course. You know. That's great. Yeah. Cost of this journey is 44 euros. 44 euros, the cost of the journey. But there are some other companies, they could offer you a little bit less. But this is the best one, I suppose. If you ever visit Morocco, you should take this trip. I would suggest you take this trip. There is a small cafe. So in fact, the journey is not so long. It's about more than 1 hour. Now I take my seat. It's super comfortable. Yeah, I should say the super comfortable, and it's better than that of the seat in the airlines. In fact, my final destination is in Gibraltar. But question could you could ask me the question why you are going to the Tarifa. First I will go to the Tarifa, and I will spend about 2 hours just to roam around the city. That's all. And after that, I will go to Algeciras. Algeciras, in fact, the bus ticket is provided by the ferry company, so it's included. The ship already started, and we are leaving behind the port of Tarifa, and now we'll be crossing the Gibraltar Strait. Now I'll try to go to the deck. I don't know whether I will be allowed to go to the deck. There is no permission to go to the deck, so I have to take the video from inside. This is Gibraltar Strait. We are crossing this strait. Anyway, I have to take my place here, and I'll take a video as much as possible through this window. You may question me that why I am going to Algeciras, instead of going to my final destination to Gibraltar. My explanation could give you the better answer that whenever you are in this place or whenever you are intending to visit Gibraltar, that could help you. And you know that Gibraltar is British territory. It's a very small place, but it's a British territory, and it's a super expensive place. It's a super expensive place, next to Monaco. It's so it's better to take a hotel in Algeciras, and then you could shuttle to Gibraltar. There are buses, there are taxis, and you could have so many means to go. But then now we are crossing through the Gibraltar Strait, and water is quiet because this is not an ocean. This is not an ocean, or this is not a sea. This is a strait. Yeah, I should. This is really, really fascinating journey. This is your lifetime journey. This is your lifetime tour. I should say that crossing a small strait, and from one continent to another continent. Now we are almost in Tarifa. Yeah, in Tarifa port. Yeah, it's the port. Okay, this is the end of our journey.